Hey YouTube, welcome back. So it's getting to that time of year to get the garden started, get some plants started, and I salvaged this plastic container, probably a rotisserie chicken container. And what I'm going to do is use this as a miniature greenhouse for seed starting. So I'm going to get this set up and show you what it looks like. So here, as you can see, I placed this seed starter, I don't know what you'd call them, Jiffy pots. This was one square, one rectangle of pots, and I had to cut them apart to get everything to fit in here nicely. I'd recommend, if you have to cut these, I'd recommend cutting them while they're dry before you water. And a pair of scissors actually worked out a lot better than using my knife. So anyway, there you have it. You put your Jiffy pots in, fill them with soil, lukewarm water, use a pencil or a small stick to make the holes for your seeds, and we have ourselves a miniature greenhouse. I might have to, I'm going to have to trim a little bit. So, hang tight and I'll see if I can get that accomplished to get this lid to seal. Okay, so I cut these pots up, trimmed off some excess material to allow the lid to, seal tightly on here. And there it is, voila. Lots of light comes through. This will help keep the pods from drying out. It'll help regulate the temperature better. And here's the pots I'm using. I just cut these apart. And there you go. I mean, a little do-it-yourself greenhouse out of recycled materials. No big deal. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope this will help give you some ideas on how to garden on the cheap. And, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Just kidding. Do what you want. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to try to do more stuff like this. Weather pending, but it's about that time of year, so figured I'd get started. These are Brussels sprouts, by the way. Anyway, have a good one out there. Happy gardening. Peace.